Can you introduce yourself for me?
I'm Faris, the head of the executive committee of Istanbul Foundation for Science and Culture.
MashaAllah, welcome. How important is Sayyid Nursi as a Muslim thinker?
Well, it is very difficult to describe Sayyid Nursi as a Muslim thinker in short sentences. But what we can say that Sayyid Nursi, as he mentions in his writings, basically he combines natural sciences with spiritual sciences, or he combines the book of universe with the Quran. So he explains Quran with book of universe, and he interprets Quran with the book of universe.
Okay, so does his ideas apply to the non-Muslim world?
Of course, when we think religion, Islam and Quran and revelation, it is not only for Muslims. It is for anybody who is human, who has spirit, who has spiritual faculties, who has taking part in the society, in the world at large. So for Nursi and his views and ideas is not only confined to Muslim world, it is for all humanity. When you read his books, you will find it's very seldom says, "Oh Muslims." He says, "Oh insan, ey insan." So, "Oh human." So he addresses humanity. That's why there are several books by non-Muslim scholars, several hundred papers internationally well-known scholars on him.
Okay, so how are Sayyid Nursi's ideas original, different from other thinkers?
Well, it is not good, to compare Sayyid Nursi with the other thinkers, but of course his views and ideas differ a lot from the other thinkers, because the thinkers were the son of that age, and Sayyid Nursi is the son of this age, this globalized age. When you think of, for example, 20th century, and now we are in 21st century, the technological advancement, the means of telecommunication, the means of transport. Today, the world is a small village, and the problems have been increased tremendously, exponentially. So, social solutions needs to solve the problems of existing world, globalized world. As Sayyid Nursi, in his writings, I believe that he was the first person, to declare that the world is a global village. So the problems of global village increased as the world becomes smaller, but the problems increased tremendously and enormously. So his views and ideas, because he's touching the basics of human spirit, saying that this world is a guest house, and we are here as guests. We have to act with responsibility and respectful to the rights of humans and animals and even non-animate beings.
Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. Okay, so finally, why should we study Sayyid Nursi's Risalat Nur?
Why should we study Sayyid Nursi? Well, as I said, that we are guests. So the guests, how we should act responsibly, with respecting the rights of others. We have to format our hard disk, because we are being distracted. We are being our character, our morality is being destroyed by daily life a lot. Comparing just only, for example, we are in Istanbul. The daily traffic exposure that we get, enormous anxieties, enormous, damages in our ethical and moral behaviors. So how we have to get it set up to its original, say, natural one, or we have to then study in order to understand our responsibility and to act according to it. And we have to read Risale very much and very frequently in order to recover our, damages that we are getting from the environment and surroundings.
So the world can be a better place. Thank you very much. Pleasure meeting you. Thank you. Thank you.